So Monument Girls did it again, guys. They sent me another pit. We're gonna build this bad boy. It's an M400MF. It's a gas grill. Let's just get right into it, guys, and let's just build it. You already know. If you like the channel, subscribe. Why subscribe? I'm not even doing videos like I used to. But I will. I will start doing videos pretty soon again. Anyways, let's get into this build, guys. Bam. Not bad. 4-burner. Has a clear window. That's pretty cool. The technology that they have. Got some stainless steel. You got the thermometer. Yeah, man. It's a nice little tight pit, if you ask me. All right, guys. I got some ribeyes. Just got back from the store. We're going to use the West Coast from Uncle Steve. CJ. Shout out to CJ and shout out to Uncle Steve. And we got his smoke bomb. Those, the two, we're going to use for the seasonings on these steaks. And go super heavy, guys. Because Uncle Steve is not salt-based. It's all flavor-based. Simple, easy, right? Just pat that in real quick. Bam. Give these a quick flip. Man, aren't they gorgeous? Beautiful ribeye. Damn. Making my mouth water, guys. What's up with this one? It looks a little funky here. What is that? Yep. I knew something was up with there. I knew something was up. It's a first base smoke bomb. Flavor right here, baby. Like I said, pack it on there. Money. And then we did it with the West Coast. Pretty simple, right? Pat that in. Let me show you the pit. I do have it running. It's been running for the last 5 minutes. It's on high. Just to get rid of any manufactured oils that are in there. Whatever's in there, they'll get rid of it. Temp's probably over 700. Woo! What's up, gorgeous? You can see my reflection, huh? Same flavor. This meat right here is my daughter's favorite. It is also my girlfriend's favorite. Guys, it's just quick carne. A few tacos. My daughter's playing oldies in the background. You know how we do it right here in Southern California. But I'm going to change that music pretty soon. Put some West Coast. Hopefully I don't get a copyright, right? Hopefully you guys can hear it. If you guys do, let me know in the comments. Man, it's going to be some money, guys. All right, I'll bring you back once this pit is ready to rock. I'm going to give it maybe, I don't know, 15 to 30 minutes. I'm going to give it 30 minutes to cook whatever is in there that's not good for us. And then we'll go ahead and slap our meat on. Slap the meat. We'll put the meat on there. Stick around, guys. Modelo time. It's Modelo time, guys. Cheers from the 805. Modelo, if you're listening, go ahead and sponsor my channel. I'd be happy. Just like Monument Grills is hooking it up. And shout out to Monument Grills as well. Salud to all of you guys. Definitely, this is not a how-to cook video. This is just me getting down. Woo! It is hot, 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 hot. And I do have all burners at full range because I want everything to sizzle. We're going to start off with the ribeye. Oh, my Lord. I know my big arm's in the way. Oh, my God. Smells fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Put that bad boy right there. Damn, those are thick boys right there. Money. Smells so fantastic. This ranchera is gonna cook very quickly though. Come on. Okay, it's folded. Let me see. No, it's not. Just one thick piece. All right, that'll work. Got another piece right here. My mouth is watering, guys. Literally watering. I did line. Oh shit! I did line the bottom with some foil. It'll be easy cleanup for me. As far as cooking space, it's pretty big. I don't know the exact measurements. Maybe I'll look them up later and tell you. But easily, you can cook quite a bit on here, as you can see. Well, we've been munching on that, and this cooked, I kid you not, less than 5 minutes. It got charred on some areas, but it is all good, guys. The ribeye, I lowered down the heat a little bit. Like I said, this is not a how-to cook video. This is just cooking on the Monument grills. Once again, shout out to them. Shout out to Modelo. If you're listening, Modelo, I'm open if you want to sponsor my channel. Bam. Salud from the 805. Cheers, guys. Cheers, mija. You know what? We only live once, guys, so make it count. Lovey, I'm talking to you. Make it count, love.